Over the last few days, I've been testing something that's designed to completely change how you use a backyard pool. This is the iGarden Swim Jet P160, and instead of swimming a few strokes and turning around, it creates a powerful adjustable current that lets you swim continuously in place. So today we're finding out exactly what it feels like, how much resistance can it generate, and whether it can turn a standard residential pool into a true endless swimming experience. I'd say one of the biggest problems with most residential pools is that they're really not designed for actual swimming workouts. Unless you have a massive lap pool, you usually end up doing a few strokes and immediately hitting the other side. And that's why systems like this have gotten so popular, because instead of rebuilding your whole entire backyard, this gives you a way to create continuous resistant swimming in an existing pool. Now obviously there are swim spas and dedicated endless pools out there, but those can get extremely expensive and take up a huge amount of space and time. So what makes this interesting is that it's designed to bring that same kind of experience into a more traditional pool setup. Right away, the first thing you notice is just how substantial the system feels. The build quality is solid, the housing looks premium, and once it's installed, it integrates really nicely into the pool environment without looking overly industrial. The entire idea behind the system is pretty simple. Generate a strong adjustable current that allows you to swim in place continuously instead of doing short repetitive laps. And controlling it is pretty straightforward. You can make adjustments using the included remote controller or use the companion app to control the system directly from your phone. That makes it easy to fine-tune the experience depending on whether you're looking for a lighter swim, a more intensive workout, or just want to make quick adjustments without getting out of the pool. And what's nice is that it's not just about hardcore training either. You can adjust the experience depending on whether you want a lighter resistance swim, a more intense workout, or even just movement in the water for recovery and exercise. Another thing I noticed pretty quickly is just how different the pool feels once the current is going. It genuinely changes the entire energy of the pool. It goes from feeling like a normal residential pool to something that feels much more performance-oriented and high-end and built-in. Alright, this is the part that I was most curious about. What does this actually feel like when you're swimming against it? And honestly, it's a lot stronger than I expected. The moment you start swimming against the current, you immediately notice the resistance. Instead of constantly turning around and losing your focus, you're maintaining your position while continuously working against the flow of water. What's interesting though is how natural it feels once you settle into it. It doesn't feel chaotic or random, it feels controlled where you can really be in the zone. And you can really feel a difference as you change the resistance. At lower settings, it's comfortable and smooth, but once you increase the power to it, it really becomes a serious workout. I also think this changes how useful a pool can be. Instead of just relaxing or casually floating around, you now have something you can genuinely train with or have fun with your friends. One thing I wanted to express was how the experience changes at different power levels. At the lower settings, it feels comfortable enough for longer swim sessions and steady cardio workouts. As you increase the resistance, you immediately notice the difference. You have to work harder to maintain your position, your stroke rate increases, and it starts to feel much more like a training tool. It definitely wore me out pretty quickly. I also spent some time switching between freestyle and breaststroke just to see how natural it felt with different swimming styles. I will say freestyle was definitely my favorite, but the breaststroke worked surprisingly well too. And what stood out the most wasn't just the resistance itself, it's just how consistent the current felt throughout the swim. Once you settle into the rhythm, you stop thinking about the equipment and start focusing on the workout. And that's when it starts to feel less like an accessory and more like a completely different way to use your pool. Another thing I noticed is that the pool just feels so much bigger. Normally in a residential pool this size, you're constantly reaching the wall and turning around. Here, you're able to stay engaged in the swim the entire time. And after spending several sessions with this, that's what probably impressed me the most. I'll also say another thing I really like about this setup is that it doesn't just feel fitness focused. It actually adds a luxury element to the entire backyard experience. When the system is running, the pool just feels more alive and fun. The movement in the water, the sound, the overall atmosphere, it genuinely gives the backyard a more resort style feel. And depending on how you use it, this can work for everything from serious swim training to recovery workouts, or just enjoying the water in a completely different way with your friends and family. So after spending time with the iGarden Swim Jet P160, I honestly think this is one of the more interesting ways to completely change how a residential pool can be used. It adds a fitness component, a luxury component, and a completely different swimming experience without needing a massive dedicated lap pool. And one of the biggest things for me is that it actually feels premium when you use it. It doesn't feel gimmicky, it looks nice, it looks built in, it feels like a legitimate upgrade to the entire pool environment. So if you've ever wanted a way to turn your pool into something more functional, more performance focused, and honestly just a more enjoyable overall experience, if you want more information on the P160, I'll have additional details linked below. Thanks for watching.